When people are stressed, they sometimes clench their jaw and grind their teeth, which is called bruxism. This can happen day or night, sometimes lasting a few days and other times going on for months. And it's usually that long-term grinding that can really cause problems. Grinding the top and bottom teeth together can lead to something called dental abfraction, a loss of tooth structure, and dental attrition, which is when the biting surfaces of the teeth get flattened out. Eventually, this can wear away the protective outer surface of the tooth, the enamel, to reveal the much more sensitive dentin below, resulting in tooth hypersensitivity and an increased risk of cavities. When it's severe, bruxism can cause a tooth fracture, tooth loosening, and even the loss of teeth, as well as damage any existing dental work like crowns and fillings.
Sign up for a free trial today and watch the full video on osmosis.org.